Hi there friends, Danny here from Danny's Dreams. I am making this video probably a week or two before I'm actually showing it. The card that I am sharing today is for a Penpal Swap in the Kraftin Kimmie Facebook group. Every month, or I believe it's every month, I've done it for a couple months now, they pair you up with a partner and they have a theme for the card and you send it to your partner and you get one in return. I think it's so much fun. I always love to send cards and I like to receive them, so I join in whenever I can. The theme for this month, September, was circles, so that was an easy theme and a fun one. For my card, I did use this That's a Wrap stamp set. I think right now especially we all need to take a little self-care, so I thought this set was perfect for that. I also used some paper from my stash from Kaisercraft called Magic Happens collection. I don't even know how long I've had this. It's really pretty paper, but it's one of those paper pads where you kind of have to have just the perfect thing for it. So it was fun to use that. Onto my card. You can see that image I colored with Copics. The sentiment says, inhale positivity, exhale negativity. I think we all can use that right now in these uncertain times. I used some Stampin' Up! Dies for the circles, and then there's that paper, and then a couple enamel dots. So a pretty basic card, but I think it turned out really neat, and I thought it was some fun colors, ones that I don't necessarily always use. So that was fun. So I'm really hoping that my partner will enjoy this, and I can't wait to see what I get in return. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch my video. If you like what you see, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, and for you to hit the subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. Until my next video, have a great day.